Have you ever tried to share a song or a playlist with your friends but you couldn't find the right link? Or maybe you want to add your favorite track to a project but you're stuck. Don't worry, we've all been there. Today I'm going to show you how to find the perfect Spotify URI in just a few simple steps. So first let's talk about what a URI is. It's like a special code that helps Spotify recognize your song or playlist, making it super easy to share and use. So here are 5 simple tips to get your Spotify URI. So first, you're going to open Spotify and find your favorite song or favorite playlist. Second is you're going to right-click on it or click on the 3 dots. Third, click Share and then choose Copy Spotify URI. Fourth, if you're on mobile, tap the 3 dots and select Share, then Copy URI. Fifth, now you can share your URI with anyone or just use it in your projects. Isn't it amazing how easy that is? Now you can share your favorite music like a pro. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. If you like this video, try it out. Let me know what you got. Love ya.